Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will learn how we can set up our page, how we can make the setup of our page according to our desire, according to the print layout view of our particular map. Okay, for example, this is my area and this is my area and these are the contours of my area. I want to print out this particular area onto any page. First of all, I have to set up the page print setup. Okay, just click on this page print setup. You can, from here you can give the name and the size of your page print layout setup. From here you can change your width, your height. For here you can change for landscape or portrait. For example, I want to change this like as a landscape. You can change this is for auto select, manual fee. This is print paper, this is print margins, this is map page, sample map elements. These all things are, and these width and height is in centimeters, and you can change it from centimeters to points to inches to millimeters. And then after that you can press on OK. This is this catalog box. This box was just for your page and print setup. This is to view your print preview. Okay, when your map will be printed out onto the page, your map will appear like this on the page. Okay, your map will be like this. You can change it in the layout view as you can. Okay, just cross this, and this is your layout view. One is data view and the other is layout view. This is the data view, this box is the data view, and this is the layout view. Okay, you can change it in the layout view. This is your layout view. Okay, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can fit to the extents onto the layout view. Okay, this is pretty easy that you can change these views according to your own desire. And after doing so, first of all you have to save your this data. One thing you have to remember, that you should save your data when you start working. First of all, save your data, and after a while you have to save this data. Otherwise sometimes it gonna hang your computer. This is a huge software having a lot of process in its back. Sometimes your computer or laptop or pad being hanged due to the working of this software, and you have lost your everything. So you should have to save your data accordingly. Okay, save your data, and after a few minutes you have to save and save. Okay, from here you can export your map. By clicking on this, you can export your map into EMF, PDF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF and GIF. You can export your maps in according to your own will. This is quite easy. Okay, this is about the different layout views of your map. I hope you better understand about this. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel to learn from the beginning to the advanced level. Thank you so much for your time.